Hello and thank you for choosing Wildfire. In this video, we're going to show you how to digitally send money to your family, friends, coworkers, or anyone you'd like with the P2P system in Wildfire Digital Plus. After logging into online banking, access P2P or person-to-person by heading to the P2P link at the bottom of the Move Money dropdown in the menu at the top of the page. On the P2P page, you will be able to transfer money between yourself and others. To start, add a person to send money to if you haven't done so already by clicking the Add button at the top right of the People box. Then enter their name and email or phone number and click the Save button in the bottom right of the section. Next, click the To field under the Send Money to select the person you wish to transfer money to. Select the account to send funds from and fill out the rest of the fields. Then type a security question and pick an answer your recipient will know to ensure it is them who receives the money. And you can add a message if you wish. Then click the green Send button at the bottom right of the section. And just like that, your money is being sent to that person. If you want to make these payments recurring, click the downward arrow below the Frequency button and fill out the fields to fit what you're looking for and click Send. And there you have it. If you have any other questions, please call us or stop by one of our branch locations and one of our friendly representatives will assist you. Thank you for watching.